Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, let's navigate into the settings, and from here you want to select About Phone, where you will find your storage. When you click on it, it shows you the default storage of the phone, so what you want to do is simply scroll down, where you will have the tiny little option for the SD card, and below that you have option to format your SD card. Click on it. It gives you a message that formatting your SD card will remove all the data from it, so if there's anything that you'd like to keep on that card, do make a copy of it beforehand, before you begin, otherwise you will lose it permanently. Now, assuming you have already made a copy of it, or you simply don't want to, proceed by selecting Format SD card. This will begin the process, which only takes a couple seconds. Should be right about done. There we go. So click on Done and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.